Dust and dirt accumulation notably reduces solar PV performance. While on average the impact of soiling on production is 5 to 7%, there is a wide variation, as some systems plunge by 20 to 30% in a matter of weeks. Existing soiling measurement hardware is expensive and requires frequent calibration, making it impractical for most rooftop PV facilities. Consequently, soiling mitigation for decentralized solar is largely a guesswork. Soltell's Sensorless technology enables a unique solution to the solar soiling measurement challenge, providing accurate soiling ratio assessment without dedicated add-on hardware. Soltell's technology is powered by Industrial IoT, enabling accurate remote soiling measurement of any individual solar PV plant. Soltell's Smart Solar Measurement Solution, or SysMap, serves as a predictive maintenance tool, helping optimize cleaning schedules and other maintenance aspects for rooftop PV systems. Soltell's innovative solution also provides a cost-effective and accurate way to measure and address the financial impact of soiling, unlocking the full potential of rooftop solar PV systems. Soltell's SysMap solution enables to mitigate the soiling impact, empowering system operators and developers to maintain optimal solar PV efficiency. The Sensorless technology is a game-changing approach that helps residential, commercial, and industrial-scale solar stakeholders to measure performance and optimize the return on investment of solar assets. By integrating Soltell's SysMap solution into energy finance and energy management software, stakeholders can unlock the full potential of renewable energy investments and contribute to a more sustainable future.